Yeah, now it's recording. Hello everybody. Today is Friday. Here's a tool review for myself. That's a Air 2 kit I bought from Canadian Tire. Cost me about $149 minus the Canadian coupon, so I only pay $40 something like that. And today I'm going to do a test about how it goes. You can see there's an impact gun, and there's a wrench, grinder. I think it's over 171 parts around. So I think $100 something. It's also there's a spray. Yes, yeah, right. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Today I'm going to change my brake and see how it goes. Right? Okay, here's a new tool. I just bought it recently. It's called Powerbuilt. The unique thing is it's come with a combination of the jack. Okay, so traditionally this bottle jack, you only have this piece, but now they combine this jack. The benefit is if the car, the jack point very narrow, so if you just use this one to jack it up, but then you have to put another jack beside or somewhere, it's not good, because the jack point is will occupy this part. But now it won't be jacked by together and until reach to like certain depth, and it will lock, so it's much safer, right? So yeah, it's kind of unique, but the only bad thing is this too tall. Sometimes you cannot put under your car. So this design, sometimes it's like 50-50. For my car, the rear wheel I can put under the rear wheel, but in front wheel I cannot put in. So it's like a 50-50. Okay, just let you know. Okay, let me turn off that. Are you in recording?
Yeah.
That's. So I need to put the pin inside. What the? That piece I don't like it. It's just too narrow, too short. Now I put in. Right, okay. Now I don't push in. I need to block it. Here is some side notes. As you can see, I bought a Powerbuilt UniJack. Try to replace my old car scissor jack. Actually, I use, as you can see later in my video, I use a scissor jack by the help of the power jaw, the DeWalt power jaw. I usually can easily to jack up the car, no problem, very smoothly. But recently I experienced like look like the scissor jack, the screw is kind of well done, so it's not any smooth, very tough. So my DeWalt power jaw cannot jack up. So that's why I bought the Powerbuilt UniJack. But look like it's a bad buy, very bad buy, because as you can see, this UniJack is not tall enough to jack up the car. So the tire was still touch on the ground. But it's also is high enough, it cannot get under my car. So basically, this is really useless. And I think it's useless to many car, normal used car. Maybe it working on certain truck or SUV. But I bought it from Amazon. It says it can work on sedan or whatever minivan, but it's not true. So basically, it's very bad. It's a junk to me, and thumb down for sure. Take big good look. New tool. It's called air impact. Baby, hold it. Feel it.
Heavy as hell. I can barely hold it.
Yeah, I know. It's heavy.
I needed 2 hands to hold it.
Should we get our earmuffs?
No. It's just, it's not that strong. So here right now, so
I can hear it.
the forward. So I need a reverse, right? Now reverse. The heck? Oh, reverse too slow.
Let me turn this off.
Yeah, reverse is good. Let me try, okay? Hey, record it. Come on.
Daddy, how do you turn it? How do you turn it off?
Just
Do this?
Just screw down. No, you don't push. It's screw down. Screw down. Screw down. It's turn off.
It's turned off?
Yeah.
Yep, it's turned off.
Nothing, huh? Oh, now it's working. I need to check it out. Don't touch. You can collect for me, whatever. Leave move it.
I didn't hear that.
Is this up? I guess I'm not. But this baby is still not. It's kind of weird. You see, sometimes it's not enough. See, it's not good. So this thing is not good. Not enough. I'd rather low down now. Still, the traditional way is better. So Powerbuilt jack, thumbs down. Thumb down. Just pour it. Okay. All right. Huh? The hell?
Having troubles, old man?
That piece of shit is jacked. You can see the up one. Piece of shit. Maybe I should open that up. Right? Anyway, this one maybe it's just better for the Jeep high torque carriers. For lower, doesn't work.
What the fuck?
Oh, battery? I think it's done. Turn off.
Turn
Oh, yeah, already turn off.
Axis lock. What does that mean?
Because you put on some stuff, it's locked.
What?
This one can turn. This one, it's locked. You locked it, this one.
How do I lock it?
No, this one unlocked. Yeah, your hand is. Okay, anyway, leave it right now.
Oh, yep.
Oh, it's already there, right? It's recording now. Okay. Let me load it.
Fell a little.
So I'm running out the battery.
Alex, the camera is the camera.
Huh? This one also burn? Yeah, this is full battery. Oh. Come on. What's happening?
You better get a new
What's
battery.
happening?
You need more batteries. Oh my ears hurt.
No, look, it's literally aimed down right at it. I might say.
Nothing is powerful than manpower.
Man's.
Man's power. Use the leverage. The leverage. Oh. 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 Is this so? Give a little bit of push.
You're taking off the oil?
Yep, baby. Ah. How powerful it is.